Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com, the YouTube channel Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi OnePlus 18-volt speaker. This guy specifically does not have a radio feature, it's just a Bluetooth speaker. However, it is literally, I remember seeing this in the box the first time we got it, 8.5 times clearer, or 8.5 times improved clarity versus their next best radio, and it really is. It sounds great for a Ryobi radio, way better than any of the other ones that I've heard so far. Very similar to a lot of the Milwaukee ones, in fact, has a lot of bass and sounds really good, carries really well as well. So this is it, guys. It's tiny, it's pretty durable, battery goes here, it does only run on battery, it's not hybrid. It has a power button, has a play and pause button, it has an up and down for volume, and then a back and a forward. And then it also does have a USB, I believe, which is just for power, so you can charge things on it. And so that being said, I am going to go ahead and play none other than one of our YouTube videos for you guys. And so you can kind of get an idea. I know we don't have this best quality, but I still think it'll give you an idea of the quality of the speaker. So without further ado, here it is. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. .com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi. And that's it, guys. It really is a good speaker. We super appreciate you guys watching. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, we are giving this away to a subscriber. We also promise to bring you more and more great videos as time goes on. So please don't forget to boot the like button and subscribe. And if anybody has any other questions, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks, guys.